Good morning, first grade. Okay, we're going to start with our silly make-believe words, and you have to come up with a real word that rhymes with mine. So our category today is transportation. Okay, so think about transportation just like in Gus Takes the Train. Ready? My make-believe word is czars. Can you think of a real word that rhymes with czars? I hope you said cars. Cars and czars rhyme, and that has to do with transportation. Next one. Oh, you can get this one. Mulmus. What is a real word that rhymes with mulmus? School bus? School bus and mulmus rhyme. Ready? Druck. What's a real word that rhymes with druck? It has to sound the same at the end. Did you say truck? Because truck and druck rhyme. Okay, guys, how about nicycle? What's a real word that rhymes with nicycle? Bicycle and nicycle. Good job, my friends. Okay, for our next game, I'm going to say my sentence. All of my words start with the same sound. So I say it, and then you say it, and then you need to tell me what sound all of my words started with. Ready? Violet's vase vanished. And they all start with what sound? V. Good job, our fricative V. You should feel that on your lips. Next, Pam packed purple paper. Go ahead, say your sentence. Okay, now what do all my words start with? P. Good, our stop sound. P. Very good. What about Ron ran rapidly? That's a short one, and they all start with R. Very good. Last one. Sam sold 6 sandwiches. What do all of my words start with? Very good. Okay, next, my friends, we need our choppers out. So this time I am giving you the first sound, the rest of the word, and you need to blend those together. Ready? W. Ink. Wink. Help. Help. I've. 5. L. Sell. And last one. D. I'm. Dime. Good job. We need to know that one for our morning calendar, right? All right, guys, this one is kind of tricky for us, okay? So you need to be listening to the last sound in my word. So I'm going to give you 2 words. They have the same last sound, okay? And you just need to say what that last sound is. For example, if my words were lost gate, my mouth did the same thing at the end of both of those words. They both made the t sound at the end. Lost gate. If you have to do a little punch it out to figure that out, you may. Okay, ready? Stack, break. Now you say those words. Stack, break, and they both end with k. All right, let's try another one. Fig, log. Now you say them. And they both end with g. All right? Wade, odd. And they both end with d. All right. I hope this is getting easier. What about this last one? Yes, fuss. And both of those words end with s. Okay, good job. Good job. We'll keep practicing. All right, this time I'm going to give you guys that whole word. You need to get choppers, chop off the first sound, and then tell me the rest of your word. Are you ready? My word is gave. Say gave. And if you chop off the first sound, you should have g, ave. All right, ready? Let's do another one. Kite. K-ite. Very good. You guys should be doing this before me, but then you can watch me to check your work. Okay, ready? Next one. Keep those choppers out. My word is ramp. R-amp. Good. And let's do 9. Ein. Let's do one more, okay? Peach. Each. Good job. Make sure you just chop off only that first sound. All right, I'm going to give you the end of a word. I'm going to give you a sound to put at the beginning. We're going to put them together. Ready? Say eat. Add p to the beginning. Pete. Say Eve. Add w to the beginning. Weave. Say eat. Add s to the beginning. Seat. Say each. Add r to the beginning. Reach. And last one, say eam. Add t to the beginning. Team. Good job. This time, guys, I'm giving you the whole word and we're taking away the first sound. Are you ready? My word is kite. Say it without k. Ite. Say mice. Say it without m. Ice would be left. Say dime. Take away d. I'm would be left. Say hive, like a beehive. Say it without I've would be left. And let's say wipe. Now take away w. Ipe would be left. Okay, that usually is a little tricky for us too. This time we're changing some sounds in our words. So, my word is cane. Change k to r. What's my new word? Rain. Good, we're keeping it. Say rain. Change r to m. My new word is main, because this part did not change. It's still ain. Okay, say main. Change to o. What's my new word? Lane. And let's keep lane. Change o to p. What's my new word? Pain. Good job. Okay, shake that out of your fingers. All right, my friends, I'm going to give you a sentence. I say it fluently first, then you say it fluently after me, and then we'll go back and we will count how many words are in the sentence. Ready? The watchdog was really big. All right, now let's count. Be careful. The watchdog was really big. 5. I told you this week's a little tricky because sometimes we have those words that are 2 words put together to make 1. So it's hard to count them if you're not sure. Let's try another sentence. We are popping popcorn. And let's count. We are popping popcorn. That's 4. Awesome. Okay. I ate strawberry pancakes for breakfast. And let's count. I ate strawberry pancakes for breakfast. So you should have 6 fingers up for that sentence. Let's do one more. We were just talking about beehives. Let's see, this one has to do with beehives. How many bees are in the beehive? Can you say that? Okay, now let's count. How many bees are in the beehive? Wow, 7! That is awesome. Okay, my friends, I hope that you are doing that along with me because remember, practice makes perfect, and I will see you guys later.